Well, it sure looks a lot better, don't it? Than the other day when it was hanging off. I shouldn't even have flown it, but you know me. Huh. Just wheel a little bit. Look at that. It doesn't want to turn at all. It just drags. Well, oh my God, are you fucking kidding me?
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
What is that for bullshit? I'm gonna go get my super glue.
I like Alville.
Oh my God. I'm glad that didn't happen in the air. I'm glad that didn't happen in the air. That already happened once. I don't need that to happen again. That is unbelievable. Yep.